Through no fault of your own, it's a fact of life that you'll face your fair share of enemies. An enemy may or may not intentionally try to hurt you, but they'll always do things that go against your best interests. So it's important to be able to pick out your enemies before they can really harm you. In this video, we are giving 3 strategies for identifying the enemies in your life. Let's go. Number 1. Enemies spread gossip about you. They try to hurt you by turning other people against you too. If someone acts like a friend to your face or over social media, then goes behind your back to reveal your secrets or spread false rumors, they're definitely not your friend. It's true that a real friend might slip up occasionally. Gossiping is hard to resist, but they'll come clean and apologize about it. Number 2. Enemies sabotage your path to success. They may try to hold you back even when it doesn't help them. At school or work, your enemy might aim to sabotage you by making lots of little complaints about you to your teacher or boss. They might be doing it in an effort to gain a higher class rank than you or get a promotion instead of you, or they may simply take a cruel pleasure in hurting you. Number 3. Enemies try to beat you at your own game. They aim to gain a foothold and then overtake you before you realize it. In the business world, an enemy could be a disruptor, a competitor, who exploits some vulnerable element of your business plan and surges past you. In your personal life, they might be an acquaintance who tries to steal the affections of your boyfriend or girlfriend through gossip and duplicity. In both cases, they want what you have and are willing to use what they know about you in order to get it.